Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make prom corsages or wedding corsages, whatever you may need a corsage for. I'm going to show you how to make those today. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and do that now. Also make sure you like this video and make sure you are following me on Instagram. So let's get started. So for the first one here we have some greenery. And these are fake flowers, guys. I got from Dollar Tree. The lace I ordered off Amazon, but I've had it for a while. So we're going to use lace. For the first one, I purchased this big flower from Michael's. It's actually like a brooch, which we're going to take this off. And like I said, these flowers came from Dollar Tree. I also have a needle and thread here, just so everything can be secure, along with the hot glue. And I have some ribbon just in case I want to add something extra. So I'm going to just cut the end off there. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to make sure you guys can see everything I'm doing. I'm actually making sure this is kind of even here at the bottom. Then I'm going to take, maybe just leave a little bit of string here. I mean lace, so you can tie it, but I am going to take this and tie it in a knot, and you'll see why soon. Make sure that's really secure, guys. So this is going to be the end that you tie around your wrist, and we're going to use this as a base to put the flowers on. Now you can make yours bigger or shorter, whatever works best for you. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of hot glue, put it right in the center of this knot here, just so I can put the lace down there. Just hold it down. Be careful when working with hot glue because it is very hot, and I don't know how many times I have burned myself doing tutorials for you guys. So let's just get started. So here is our first one. This flower is pretty large, and if you're not one of those girls that like pretty big things on your wrist, I would suggest using a smaller flower, but overall it looks good. So let's get into our second corsage. Hi guys, so we are going to move on to the next one, and for this one we will be using a bracelet cuff, which may be easier to walk around with, and you can adjust it. You could bend it and open it up if you need to. and I will leave a link below where you can purchase these from on Amazon. So for this one, we're going to do things a little bit differently, and we may be using our needle and thread, but we will see. So I have some ribbon, of course, the leaves off of the flowers, and then I have some different colored flowers because I'm not sure just yet, guys, how I want to put this one together. But first and foremost, we're going to try to cover this up with a larger piece of ribbon. Now I'm using satin ribbon, guys, just because it looks better for like prom or whatever. So I have this ribbon here, and this ribbon is just going to be a base, like I said, to just kind of cover this up. So we're going to cut a few pieces of this. It's just like a base. Like I said, I absolutely love this one. It is so pretty. so dainty and delicate. Oh my goodness, I wish I had someone to give this to. Again, like I said, if my son's date is wearing anything in this color scheme, I'm going to give this one to her because I just absolutely love it. It will probably be better to do it like this so the ribbon is this way, but just to show you guys what it looked like, I had it turned the other way. One little tip again that I didn't show you was you want to secure the ends of your ribbon. I normally use a lighter. I know some people use a candle or wood burner, but whatever you can do to secure the ends of the ribbon so it doesn't fray during the night. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked our prom slash wedding corsages. These can be made with real flowers, fake flowers. You can use any kind of band, anything that fits your style that will be going with the dress or the outfit that you will be wearing for whatever occasion it may be. As you can see, you can add different decorations. You can have lace, you can have satin ribbon, you can add beading. I like to use, like I said, I like to use the fake flowers because they last longer and you could keep it as a keepsake afterwards. But yeah, make sure if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not subscribed to my channel. Also, if you would like to check out our vlog channel, the link is below for that. We also have a movie review channel down below, as well as the link to my husband's podcast, as well as my website and my shop. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure we're sharing these videos out so we can get to 10,000 so we can do that giveaway, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, by the way, for all of you who celebrate, happy Easter.